Hi everyone, it's Maybelle with Love Shaped Intuition. Today I am back with a flip through. I purchased a couple of decks and I'm excited to do a flip through today for the messages from the Spirits of Nature Oracle by Dr. Stephen D. Farmer. If you haven't yet subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe. It is the most valuable support that you can provide me here on YouTube. It is free for your subscription. Like, comment, share this video with a friend or family member. I'm excited to announce that I did make it to 100 subscribers just, I think, last night or this morning. So that was really exciting for me. I'm still trying to increase to over 1,000 subscribers. So all interactions help the channel to grow, and I really appreciate all your help with that. If you would like to support my free work with a donation, please visit Buy Me a Coffee or Ko-fi.com. The links will be in the description box for this video and in the comments. And I do have an Amazon wish list where card decks like this and tarot decks are linked if you would like to gift a new oracle or a tarot deck to the channel. And I really love to use those in future readings. So let's get started. This is Messages from the Spirits of Nature Oracle. Now I did already kind of open it up, took the plastic wrap off, and I have not flipped through the cards yet. The only thing I did remove was the plastic on the outer edge of the box and the little paper strip that was holding the cards together. Seems like nice thick paper. Here's the booklet. No images, but it does look like it's numbered and easy to read. Big heading. That matches the cards. Okay, and then here's the box. I do like the box. I love the image on the front and also on the book. Card number 1, Air, Ruach. Card number 2, Apple Tree, Abundance. It's a nice thick cardstock. I love the cards with especially the trees and the kind of nature landscapes. I really love the images. I do have another one of his decks. I think it's the Earth Magic deck that before deciding on purchasing these cards, I was reading the reviews, and someone did say that they preferred the artwork on the other deck, but I honestly prefer the art and the images in these. So beautiful. This reminds me of a place to go hiking. Beautiful ocean wave. Another one I love. Then we have Love with Rose. So pretty. Stars. Sun. This is one of the ones that made me question whether I wanted to purchase it. Volcano Release. Beautiful. Love it. And that's card number 44. I'm going to go ahead and shuffle them. They feel like the same as some of my favorite decks. They're a little bit sharp right now. Like, I don't like the feel of the edges. They do feel sharp, but I like the thickness of the cardstock. They shuffle okay. Okay, let's see what is the message for the viewer. Okay, Desert Thirst. Number 10. Make sure you're drinking water. You may be living in the desert. This may be a time of kind of challenge and solitude. And you may also be thirsting for this deck. So perhaps it's time to go get yourself one. I took advantage of the sale from the publisher, so excited to use them. Okay, what is this? 10's also a number of completion, cycle ending. So perhaps a chapter ending and a new beginning. Okay, owl, intuition. Use your intuition. Intuitive messages, perhaps messages speaking to you. Wow, and card number 28. So 2 and 8 together, that's another 10. We'll get one more, and okay. River Flow 32 and Rose Love 33. And there's movement forward, steps, small steps forward. Go with the flow. You are a sacred vessel for love to flow to and through you. All right, that brings us to the end of another video. I hope that there was a helpful message in it. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. I'd love to see you back here at Love Shaped Intuition. Take care, everyone.